Indian government and the people of India must understand we are a people of 18 crores. They should not take it lightly. They should not do anything bad which will create problem in Bangladesh. We do not believe in doing anything wrong with the people of any other religion. Bangladesh is the only place in the whole world where Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Buddhists, we all live together as a brother. Isolated incident may happen anywhere, but not like India. In India, they have beaten Muslims on the street. They have kicked Muslims on the street. But there was not a single incident in Bangladesh where Hindus were beaten. So they should understand and not do the wrong propaganda in television or radio or through discussion. This will be amounting to working against the people of Bangladesh. They should realize by establishing friendship with the terror government of Hasina, they have lost the battle. They should make friendship with the people of Bangladesh, not with anybody, any individual. If they do it with an individual, that will not